mo ba ako? Madali naman yung sagot. Oo, hindi lang eh.
Heaven, no comment.
Kailangan mo ba ng tissue? Sandali.
Bert, ano masasabi mo, Bert? Bert, ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo?
Okay, sige. Ano na lang,
Oo naman, syempre mamimiss. Hello, ilang years na naman kami magkasama. And, and yes, namiss ko si Marco.
yung question ko talaga is, as a, kayo yung pioneer dito sa book, how do you feel kayong dalawa na, eto na, final chapter na yung story ng book. Kayo yung pioneer, tapos ngayon ending na, anong pakiramdam niyo?
Siyempre sad, no? Ako sad ako. Hindi ko alam sa'yo.
Oo naman, syempre. Syempre, sinimulan namin yung university series without knowing na ganito pala siya magiging kalaki. And marami kaming mapapasayang tao and mag-grow up din with us. And so, feeling ko like masaya and malungkot at the same time. Kasi syempre, ito yung mga kasamahan ko na gusto ko sana hanggang sa pagtanda, kumbaga, diba? Pero ganun talaga, last book na, kailangan na mag-highlight, but yeah, grateful na ako yung napili as Luna. And so,
Marco, dun sa series nyo, sa first, yung role mo is si Calix, and
Yes po.
naghintay siya ng 10 years para kay Luna. Handa ka bang gawin yun in real life?
Listen. I think everyone here knows what happened between us. You know, we're exes and everything. To be quite honest with you, I would like to not put too much pressure onto that topic, just because obviously as exes we have that phase na medyo nagkakainitan kami. So parang ngayon parang mas sobrang okay na kami. As in, walang galit, walang kahit ano. So we're really just, I'm happy being around you. I mean, I don't know, the others seen it. And it's fun to work with you. So work na lang muna tayo, okay lang ba? Hindi. Pero I'm really just, I'm happy at the state that we are now. And let's see wherever it leads. Yeah.
Kay Heaven, connected sa question, yung role mo si Luna, tapos naghintay si Calix. Ikaw ba handa kang pabalikin yung naghintay sa'yo?
oo naman. Pero syempre, I mean, 10 years din yun So 10 years na ang dami ng pagkakaiba, kumbaga, yung growth nyo. So, oo, kung pinipili nyo pa rin yung isa't isa after ng years. And, oo, kung ibang tao na kayo talaga. Like, syempre hindi ka naman pwede pumasok ulit ng relationship niya na let's say second chance. And then, expecting na different yung outcome, di ba? So, dapat, by that time, kung magkakaroon kayo ng second chance, dapat nag-grow na talaga kayo and mas mature na kayo, kumbaga. And you choose each other. So,
Pero ang comment mo na sa sinabi ni Marco na walang pressure, masaya lang.
kasi ayoko naman din may maghintay sa akin. Syempre gusto ko kung sino man yun, gusto mo, you know, he lived his life or, I mean, di ba? Para he grows then and he's happy living his life. That's fine. Okay lang. Pero if you guys are really meant for each other, I believe na itatadhana, itatadhana ng